Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to mail merge from Excel to Outlook. Okay, so we need first Word file and then okay, okay, we need Word file and Excel file. So I just open Word file here, and for Excel file we need because we want to merge some data. Okay, so this is I have Excel file, so I have name here, this is product name, and this is price and email ID. So I want to send this particular email on this email ID with some mail merge with data. So I will merge with name and product and price, and it will send automatically mail to the email ID. So how it works, so I will show you. Go to the Word and click on mailing, and now you have to go in start mailing merge, and you have to click on email message. Okay, because we are going to merge from Excel to Outlook, so we need to click on emails message. There is a many options you can use, like labels, letter, everything. So for now we just click on email message. So this option will be create. Now I have to select recipient, use existing list, means with Excel data you need to upload here. Just click on it and browse your Excel. In my case you can see I have this Excel as I show you. Now you have to select Excel from your device. So I have in desktop, so this is my Excel file. So I have two sheet, as you can see I have two sheet here. So I just select one sheet because data I have data in one sheet, first sheet. So I just select sheet number 1, and you have to make sure it should be tick mark. Okay, because it's indication to Excel that your first column has header. Okay, as you say, there is a first column has header, name, product, price and email. So tick mark it and click OK. Now data has been imported. Now you have to type your letter or email. So I just type hello and your product with price has been delivered to you, kindly confirm on this email. Okay, thanks. Just ignore spelling mistake. Okay, so here I want to put here I want to merge or input data from Excel. So in first uh, in here I want to put first name. So insert merge field. From here you can insert, you have to click on here, and here you have to keep cursor on this and just insert name. You can see name has been here appear, and in product I want to insert product name here, and in price section I want to insert price. Okay, so I insert everything here. Now you can preview, you can see preview like name, product name and price, and you can check every entry. As from here you can just pick rows. I have 5 entry. Okay, so you can see every entry has been appear here. So it is has been done. Now you can click here and just send email. So now message has been done, and you have to, if you need to send it, you can click on it and click on send message. And now you have to select the email ID which we have header in my data. The header will be show here. So in my data you can see I have email ID in email ID header. It could be any header name. I just put email ID. You can, if you have header different name, you can select from here. So I just select email ID. You can make subject like as per your as per your requirement. You can type subject line your product. Okay, I just skip product HTML. Okay, say send record. You can send all record, you can send current record. This is your current record. So You can send on current record also, you can send all record also, or you can send from 2 to 5 or any, you can customize record. So I just select all and just click on OK. So it has been sent. Now you have to check your Outlook. I think my Outlook is not ready to. I need to actually my login is not okay. So you can see my mail has been show here, but it is outbox because my email ID's password has been changed, so it is not synchronized. So you can check your email in send item. You will see here your send item. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.